A teller creates money markets where users can earn the interest on deposits or connect their credit history to borrow without the collateral. It is an open source credit risk protocol. And the Teller protocol operates via a network of distributed cloud nodes that interoperate with the Ethereum blockchains.
Feel uninvited.
Here you can see the entire platform of the Teller, and also you can join the waitlist to get some early access. Now I will tell you something about the nodes. The protocol nodes act as the validators, each of which run on the cloud-based infrastructures. Mainly you can say it like this, for example, the Amazon Web Services AWB and Google Cloud Platform GCP. The Teller's cloud-based infrastructure allows it to connect with other external or the centralized financial data providers. In other words, the Teller's network or the distributed cloud acts as a data you can say the router for the protocol smart contracts, and all the data accessed through the cloud is digested by the protocol's validators and analyzed by open sourced the credit risk algorithms. Computation by the protocol's credit risk algorithms CRAs is the primary purpose of each validator. Before buying this token, you must have to read the white paper, because in the white paper they elaborate all the things about the Teller platform. Basically, the Teller's distributed cloud network interacts with the consumer data to calculate the credit risk and offer unsecured loans. The protocol is already integrating with other API and data providers to offer the users easy access to the Teller's money markets and other decentralized financial applications. Now I will tell you something about the data privacy managed by the Teller. The protocol retrieves the user data through the Teller's whitelisted privacy preserving data providers. User data sources include but are not limited to the banking transactions, the credit reports, and income verifications. Users who interact with the Teller's data providers are in primary control of their data and can opt in. You can say they have the option to share the specific data through API based the third party data transfer networks that interoperate with the protocol. And once a user's data is retrieved, the data provider cryptographically signs and returns it to the user. The data provider then stores each user's account access tokens alongside its respective Ethereum wallet. This process maintains a one-to-one mapping of the Ethereum wallet to the account and enables the retrieval of current user information. The Teller's data providers follow GDPR compliance on data privacy by only maintaining the index of the user's data concerning the specific data provider. So it's all about the Teller, which I tell you. So first of all, if you want to buy this token, you must have to read the entire white paper, and also you can check the main platform, because on the platform they elaborate all the things about the Teller. All lending capital deposited to the protocol is held in the protocol's liquidity pools through the Ethereum smart contracts called Autonomous Teller Markets ATMs. And users can access the ATMs within the protocol through a variety of network access points. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and as per my own prediction about this project, this will be another chain link very soon. So it's your time to grab the opportunity. Thanks a lot.